You're watching The Legal Minute. Here's Hannah Ostapchuk.
Nowadays, there's a ton of paperwork that companies want to see if you're applying to the job. A resume, cover letter, work samples, or letters of recommendation. But what if there's that information and more on your social media sites? Can potential employers look at that too?
Big dangers. Right now, there are 12 states that make it illegal for employers to require that applicants turn over their Facebook usernames and passwords. And even if the employer operates in a state that doesn't have one of those laws, the employer still might screen their employees by searching for them on Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn and get access to their age, their sexual orientation, or their religion. And if an employer doesn't hire somebody based upon those things they see on social media, they might find themselves receiving a lawsuit for discrimination.
Once an employer views someone's social networking page, there's no going back. So if a business or company makes an employment decision after seeing an applicant's profile, a discrimination claim is possible. For The Legal Minute, I'm Hannah Ostapchuk.
That was The Legal Minute, powered by NewsStation.com.